what is meaningful education for sustainable development? There are lots of ways to define this. I'll just offer two dimensions. One is around personal transformation, so really challenging the way we think, the way we understand our role in the world, what we're doing in our future careers. Another is around the particular subject discipline, because it will look different, for any given course. So what are the particular issues, challenges related to that discipline, and the particular strategies that might be relevant for responding? This is something that we are committed to exploring at Montfort University through all of our taught courses, and you'll now hear from one of our students, Daria, who is looking at that within her programme in the School of Fashion and Textiles.
I study fashion buying with marketing. We've been studying sustainability on my course since first year. We looked at UN Sustainable Development Goals, especially on the goal number 12, which is responsible consumption and production. The course sparked my interest in sustainability, so now I'm doing a placement in the sustainability team at TMU. I think that this is important for future buyers to start their career responsibly.
So how specifically do we support education for sustainable development to happen through academic quality processes? This is what our Collaborative Enhancement Project is exploring, working with over 10 universities across the UK and students organising for Sustainability UK. And we're looking at the details about programme approval processes, module review, curriculum transformation and student voice processes such as the role of course reps. So what prompts, wording, examples and wider support within those processes can enable that meaningful engagement. And we'll be looking to produce guidance, examples, case studies to help the whole sector move forward on this.